It's a quick meal that doesn't take long. This took me about 30 minutes to throw some ingredients together, and now I have breakfast or lunch for tomorrow. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It is 10:53 on a Sunday night and I need to make some breakfast for tomorrow. So today I'm going to share a simple recipe for egg muffins. I will list all the ingredients that I'm using in the description box, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. These take about, in total, this is going to take about 30 minutes. Takes about 20-25 minutes to bake in the oven, and then the prep is like 5 minutes. I keep these really simple. It's just gonna be some roasted peppers, seasoning, cheese, and eggs. That's it. Oh, and a little bit of milk. So I'm gonna cut up my peppers, and then I'm using two peppers, red and yellow, really just for the color. But I'm only gonna use half of each pepper. I need to save the rest of these peppers for another recipe. So we're gonna do some yellow pepper as well. This I'll do a little less. I probably could have used my food chopper for this. Would have made it go faster, but I didn't feel like pulling it out. All right guys, so next I'm gonna crack 4 eggs. Actually, I'm gonna do 5 eggs. All right, so we got 5 eggs. Nights like this, honestly, I'm like, should I even make a video? But I feel like this is real, right? Oven's preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and season this with just some simple seasonings. I'm doing some onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt, and pepper. And then some milk. About a 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, mix that up. All right, so I'm gonna add my peppers here. Once again, you can add as little or as many peppers as you would like, or none at all. And then I'm gonna add in some cheese. This is just a Mexican cheese. I'm using up the little bit that I have left. And then in this same bowl, I'm gonna add in some cheddar cheese. For your pan, you wanna spray your pan with some cooking spray. If you want, you can use muffin liners. I'm just gonna spray mine. I think this is gonna make maybe about 9, but we'll see. Then I'm gonna spoon these in. Now, if you wanna add some extra cheese to the bottom of the pan, you can. I'm not gonna do that, but you can do that. Yeah, I think I'm right. This is gonna make about 9 muffins. 5 eggs, about a 1/4 cup of milk. It's gonna yield about 9 egg muffins. All right, and then after that, I'm gonna place these in the oven, which has been preheated to 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I posted a video a while back about some digestive issues I was having, and I mentioned some of the foods I had to stop eating, but lately, coffee and eggs are okay. I'm not having any issues. So, I've been going to Starbucks again. My typical order is a latte and one of their egg muffins. But honestly, you can make this at home, which is what I'm showing you, and you're gonna save yourself so much money. All right, so I've taken them out of the oven. I am just placing them on this wire cooling rack. If you leave them in the pan, the bottom of the muffins will get a little soggy because of the moisture that gets trapped in. So I'm just gonna scoop them out with this rubber spatula. You can see the steam still coming out. Like I said, I like to take it out so that the bottom with that moisture that gets trapped in doesn't get soggy. And just like that, you have a simple breakfast muffin that you can eat in the morning time. I just warm these up in the microwave. It's a quick meal that doesn't take long. This took me about 30 minutes to throw some ingredients together, and now I have breakfast or lunch for tomorrow. And I'll cut into it so you can see that it's done. If you like quick and simple meals, check out this playlist. Comment below if you plan on making this. And then if you have any recipe ideas for me, you can send them over to janaiskitchen@gmail.com. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.